If you want to enable or disable super power saving mode on Realme GT 7T, the first thing that you can do is go to settings. Once you open settings, scroll down a little bit and go to battery settings. In this place we have battery mode, and if we tap on it we have 3 different battery modes. Of course we are looking for super power saving mode, so select it over here, and then we need to confirm by pressing turn on. And this is how it looks like. Of course the wallpaper is gone, we can only use up to 6 apps. And if you want to edit these apps, of course, we can press edit over here. And if you want to exit this super power saving mode, over here in the top left corner, we have this exit text. So we can tap over here in order to exit it. There we go. And then we will return to the home screen. Besides that, we might be able to find the super power saving mode in the quick settings in the control center. So over here we have the power saving mode, in my case at least. And it seems that it is actually missing, so I'm gonna also edit the control center, and there we go. Here we have the super power saving mode, so we can easily add it to the list so that you don't have to really go through the settings. And there we go. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.